Hey girl, hey, it's Kiyaa. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you consider subscribing, becoming a dog today. If you're not new here, hey girl, hey. So as y'all see, your girl did a new style. I think it's super cute. It's like, I don't know, it looked like I'm going on vacation or something. It's so cute. I did like some Senegalese or rope twists. I call them rope twists. In the front, just jumbo ones with a curly wig. I seen a girl on TikTok doing it and I wanted to do it. I think it's super cute. And I also put some beads at the end. So if y'all interested in how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching.
Alright y'all, so as y'all see, I'm blow drying my hair. I want to make sure that my wig is completely dry before starting this process. And I'm also using my Fenty Eavesdrop to tint my lace. I'm going to use my Even lace glue spray. And I'm also pushing those hairs back on that lace. Then I'm going to apply my wig as I would normally do. I typically like to use spray instead of glue because I don't keep my wigs on that long. They literally come off every night. So as y'all gonna see in a sec, I am melted, okay? It works just as good as glue if you do it properly. So now I'm parting off my edges. I am gonna pluck those a little bit later. I don't think I got it on camera, but I did pluck them to make them thinner, and I'm just pushing the rest of that hair back. I also am going to keep on this elastic band just so that my lace does not move. So now I'm parting off my section that I want to do my Senegalese twists on. And as y'all see, like, I'm brushing it out. I'm making sure it's detangled. I also have my piece of hair and my edge control. Those are the two products that I started off using, and then I ended up using a rubber band, which y'all will see. So this is a way you don't want to do it. As y'all see, I literally was trying to twist the braided hair inside of the frontal hair and it wasn't working. So I had to come up with a different method, which I ended up using a rubber band, and it was way more secure than this. I'm also using edge control to continue to twist down because I don't want the hair cut in my fingers. And I also want to make sure it's a smooth process. So if you need extra edge control, you can go ahead and use as much as you need. Don't use too much because you don't want your hair turning white. But mine really did not turn white, so just a little bit goes a long way. As y'all see, I'm wiping the remainder off and grabbing as much as I need. And as y'all see, this twist came out cute, but I felt like it wasn't secure, which it wasn't. It ended up slipping out by the time I finished the rest. But I did purchase some beads so that I could put on the ends because my inspo did have beads on the end of hers. So as y'all see, I finished this one side right here, and now I'm gonna get into actually making sure that this twist is going to be secured. So I split it in half. I take my braided hair, I put it in the middle, and then I take those two halves and I put a rubber band around them to secure my braided hair. This helps so much, y'all. Do not skip this step. If you have to go get rubber bands, go get rubber bands. So then after I put the rubber band on, I'm going to split that in half, and I'm going to put one section on each side of the braiding hair, and then I twist. But make sure you pull that rubber band tight too to make sure that it's secure, and then go ahead and twist. And you still can use your edge control if needed. And as you see, I'm just twisting and twisting and twisting. And girl, when I say my twist was in there, they was in there, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all watch. Okay, so now that we have the full head of twists, well, half a head, I'm going to go in with my concealer just to make sure my part is super straight. I didn't have to, but I did want to because I wanted it to look more realistic. And then if you need to go in with some mascara, if you need, to me, it just does a lot better instead of like black hairspray. And yeah, I think this was like a super cute hairstyle. As y'all see, I'm just going back in and I'm retwisting the ones I felt like I needed to do over. And I'm also going in with my mascara. Like I said, I like to use this way better than like black hairspray or anything like that because you can control it more. So after that, this is the finished look. I put some mousse on it. I put mousse on the back of my hair. And then I went ahead and did my baby hair. So I cut them, curled them, and I used Got to Be Glued to mold them down. I also have my blow dryer sitting in between my legs. Y'all can't see it, but that's helping me like lay my baby hairs without having to sit there and continuously comb them in place until it dries on its own. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It really was super quick. It wasn't any more time than it would typically take to like style your hair.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I think it's super cute, y'all. Like, I look like I'm on vacation. Ow. I did some rope twists in the front, as y'all see. It was super easy. I feel like y'all seen two different ways of doing it. So I did one where I just twisted the hair into the frontal, and then I did one where I actually like put a rubber band on it to secure it. The rubber band method is definitely easier and more durable if you want to like wear this style long term, so, or for a good little amount of time. I really do like the hair. I think it's super cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for coming down today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.